Namaste everyone, this is Rajesh. Here we are going to solve the third worksheet of application of derivatives. Now in this worksheet we are going to solve problems related with tangents and normal to the curve. So let us see the first question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to root 3x minus 2 which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus y equal to 0. Also write the equation of normal to the curve at the point of contact. Now to write the equation of tangent, we should know point and we should know the slope of tangent. Now here in this problem, both of them are not given. Okay, we have given the curve but we have not given कि on the curve at which point the tangent is. Okay, what they have given that कि tangent is parallel to 4x minus 2y plus y equal to 0. Okay, so we will start our solution by considering, so I will say solution. Now what I will do, I will say that let we have to find tangent at point x1 comma y1 on the curve, or I can write as let x1 y1 be the point on the curve from which tangent to be taken. Okay, we have to find tangent at the point x1 y1 on the curve. Now we know that dy upon dx gives the tangent. So first we will write y. Now y is given root 3x minus 2. We differentiate it dy upon dx. Now this dy upon dx is 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. This is composite function into derivative of 3x minus 2 is 3. So dy upon dx is 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. Therefore dy upon dx at point x1 comma y1. Now dy upon dx at point x1 comma y1 is 3 upon 2. In place of x, what we do? We replace x1. Now this dy upon dx represents slope of tangent. So therefore, I will say that slope of tangent at x1 comma y1 is equals to, now generally we denote slope with m, so is equals to m is equals to 3 upon 2 root 3x1 minus 2. Suppose this is our first equation. Now equation of line, equation of given line, I will say. What is the given line? 4x minus 2y plus y equal to 0. 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is equation of given line. So slope of equation, slope of line, I will say. Slope of line is, the formula for slope of line is minus a upon b. So it is minus 4 upon minus 2, where a and b are the coefficient of x and y respectively. So slope of line we get as 2. Now as tangent is parallel to line, as tangent is parallel to line, we have slope of tangent is equals to slope of line. Now slope of tangent, we have find out slope of tangent is 3 upon 2 root 3x1 minus 2. Now this is equal to slope of line we got 2. So now we have to simplify this. Therefore I will say that 3 is equals to, this 2 will go on that side, so 2 to the 4 square root of 3x1 minus 2. Now to find the value of x1, what we will do? We will square on both the sides. So therefore I have 9 equal to 16 into 3x1 minus 2. I bring 16 on left side, so 9 upon 16 equal to 3x1 minus 2. Therefore 3x1 equal to 9 upon 16 plus 2. Now 9 upon 16 plus 2, so it is 9 plus 32 whole divided by 16. So therefore I will get x1 equal to 9 plus 32 is what? 41. So 41 upon 16, and this 3 will also come down. So divide by 3. So this will give us answer as 41 upon 48. So this is the value of x1. Now x1 comma y1, okay, is a point on the curve. As x1 comma y1 is a point on curve y equal to root of, what is our equation of curve? Y equal to root of 3x minus 2. Y equal to root of 3x minus 2. So therefore this point will satisfy. Therefore I will say that y1 equal to root of 3x1 minus 2. So this gives me 3 into the value of x1 is 41 upon 48 minus 2. Okay. So on simplification, what we will get? We will get y1 equal to square root of 3, and this 48 we can cancel. So it is 41 upon 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the minus 2. This gives us answer as root of 41 minus 16 to the 32 divided by 16. 41 minus 32 is 9. So 9 upon 16, and 9 upon 16 is, this is equals to 3 upon 4. So the value of y1 is 3 upon 4. So therefore point on the curve where we need to find equation of tangent and normal is, what is the point? It is x1, which is 41 upon 48 comma 3 upon 4. So this is the point where we have to find equation of tangent and normal. Now equation of tangent passing through point x1 comma y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So therefore in our case, therefore required equation of tangent so in this case required equation of tangent is y minus y1, in place of y1 we will write 3 upon 4 is equals to the value of m. Now the value of slope is equal to 2, because slope of tangent is equals to slope of line. So I will say that this is equals to 2 into y minus y1. So what is the value of y1? The value of y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now the value of x1 is 41 upon 48. So therefore we will say that y minus 3 upon 4 is equals to, we open the bracket, it is 2x minus, it will cancel with 2, so 41 upon 24. Better we multiply each term by 24, that is LCM of 4 and 24. So therefore we have 24y minus 4 6 are 24, so 3 into 4 equal to 24 to the 48x minus 41. So therefore 48x minus 24y minus 41 plus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore 48 minus 24y minus 41 minus 12, 11 minus 2, 9, and 3 minus 1, 2, 29. So 48x minus 24y minus 29 is the required equation of tangent. Let us cross check if we have done any mistake anywhere. Okay, always it is preferable that we cross check whatever we have done. So y minus 3 upon 4 is equals to 2 into x minus 41 upon 48. So what we have done, we have opened the bracket, so we got y minus 3 upon 4 equal to, this is 2x minus 41 upon, now when I multiply with 2, so it will become 24. Okay, so again what we have done, we have again multiplied each and every term by 48. So when we multiply each and every term by 48, we got 24, sorry, by 24. So we got 24y minus 3 into 6, okay, 4, this is not 4, this is 6, 3 into 6, okay, is equals to, here we got 48 minus 41. So we have got one mistake here, 48x minus 24y minus 41 plus 18. So this is not 12, this is 18. So I will write 18. Now 41 minus 18, so 11 minus 8, 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so 23. 48x minus 24y minus 23 equal to 0. This is required equation of tangent. So required equation of tangent is 48x minus 24y minus 23. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal passing through x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equals to 1 upon m minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. This is equation of line. Okay, equation of line which is perpendicular to tangent. So equation of normal passing through x1 comma y1 will be y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m, where m is slope of tangent. So therefore here we will get y minus, the value of y1 is 3 upon 4 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Here we have x minus x1 is 41 upon 48. So here if I find LCM, so the LCM is, again it is double of this 48 na? Let us first bring this 2 on this side. So therefore we have 2y minus 3 upon 2 equal to minus x plus 41 upon 48. So the LCM of 2 and 48 is 48 only. So multiply each term by 48. So we get 48 to the 96. So here it is 96y minus 3 upon 2 into 48. So it will cancel and we have 24 equal to minus 48x plus 41. So therefore I have 41, this minus 48x I will bring on this side. So 48x plus 96y minus 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, so minus 72, and this 41 I will bring on left hand side, minus 41 equal to 0. So therefore 48x plus 96y minus 113 is equals to 0 is required equation of, this is required equation of what? Normal. Yes, I hope you understand how to solve this problem. Let us see again what is given and what we have to find. So the problem is, find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to root 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus y equal to 0. Also write the equation of normal to the curve at the point of contact. So at the point of contact, that point we don't know, and we have to find equation of tangent and normal. So we have assumed the point of contact as x1 y1. Then we have find the slope of the curve by the formula dy upon dx. Then as the tangent is parallel to 4x minus 2y plus y equal to 0, slope of tangent and the slope of this line is going to be same. So by that condition we find out the value of x1. As we got the value of x1, we use that value of x1 to find value y1. So we got the point. Now we have point, we have slope of tangent. As we have slope of tangent, slope of normal is always minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So minus 1 upon m. So we have slope, we have point. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m is slope and x1 y1 is the point. And equation of normal is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. So this is how we got the equation of tangent and equation of normal. So generally this problem should not take more than 10 minutes, right? Okay. So you practice in such a way that within 10 minutes you can solve this kind of problems. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Now the second question is, find the equation of normal to the curve x square equal to 4y which passes through point minus 1 comma 4. Now in this question also we don't know the point on the curve where this normal is touching or this normal is passing, right? So the point of contact of normal and curve is not given. What is given? That the normal is passing through minus 1 comma 4. So I know only one condition, that normal is passing through minus 1 comma 4, and second I know the equation of curve and nothing else. So only two things are given. So find the equation of normal to the curve. So the point must pass through minus 1 comma 4, and normal to the curve means it should intersect the curve at one point. So we have to see how the normal will be. Sometimes it is better that if we can plot the graph of equation, we plot it. So in solution, what we will do? First, I will plot the graph. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, okay. Now the equation is x square equal to 4y. So as x square is equals to 4y, first of all it is passing through point 0 comma 0. In last year you have learned conic sections. So this equation is equation of parabola which is passing through origin, and it will open upward. It will be like this. Your curve will be something like this. This is your 4y equal to x square, or you can say that x square equal to 4y. Now point minus 1 comma 4, minus 1 comma 4 will be somewhere here. Okay, now see if this point lies on this line. So for y, if I put 4, then 4 4 is 16, so definitely not. Minus 1 is not the answer for x square. So minus 1 comma 4, this point is not lying on this curve. Okay, this point is lying somewhere maybe inside or outside. So let us take the point here. Okay, this is minus 1 comma 4. Now I have to find equation of normal which is passing through this point minus 1 comma 4 and which is nothing else, which is passing through this comma minus 1 comma 4 and it is normal to the curve. So that normal is going to intersect this curve at some point. Okay, so let us start our solution. We will say that I can start with equation of normal. Let us start with equation of normal. So given curve, I will write given curve is x square is equals to 4y. Then in next step what we will do, we will find dy upon dx. So we will differentiate. So 2x equal to 4 into dy upon dx. This gives us the value of dy upon dx as 2x upon 4, which is x upon 2. This is slope of tangent. Okay, so slope of, therefore I will say that slope of tangent is equals to x upon 2. Now depending on the point where we are talking about slope, the value of slope of tangent will change as the value of x will change. This is slope of tangent. Therefore slope of normal is equals to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So minus 1 upon x upon 2. This will give me minus 2 upon x. Now minus 2 upon x is slope of normal. I will say let normal intersect curve at x1 comma y1. So this x1 comma y1 will be a point on normal, as well as this will be a point on the curve. Okay, so this point is going to lie on the curve, as well as this point is going to lie on the normal. So first let us see what is slope of normal. So therefore slope of normal at point x1 comma y1. Slope of normal at point x1 comma y1 is, we have minus 2 upon x, so we will say that minus 2 upon x1. This is slope of normal. Therefore equation of normal with slope, we know the value of slope, which is minus 2 upon x, minus 2 upon x1, and point x1 comma y1. So what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equals to minus 2 upon x1 into x minus x1. Okay, now as the normal passes through, we know that normal is passing through minus 1 comma 4. As the normal passes through point minus 1 comma 4, it is given in the problem minus 1 comma 4. I have y minus the value of y1 is 4, y minus 4 is equals to minus 2 upon value of x1 is minus 1 into x minus x1. So again minus 1, so it is plus 1. So therefore I will simplify this equation. We will get this minus minus will cancel. So I have y minus 4 is equals to 2x plus 2. Therefore what we are doing, I think we are doing some mistake, right? From here I will revise this thing. Now as I said that the normal is passing through minus 1 comma 4, so y and x I will replace with this minus 1 and 4, right? Now this x1 y1 is to some standard point that we don't know. So in place of y I will write 4. So I will say that 4 minus y1 is equals to minus 2 upon x1. So this x1 will remain as it is, and in place of x I will replace minus 1. So minus 1 minus x1. So therefore we have here I will find the value of y1, that is better. So I will say that therefore y1 is equals to, y1 will go on this side, or let us first simplify this right hand side. So here we have, therefore I will say that 4 minus y1 is equals to, here I will open the bracket, minus minus it will be plus, so it is 2 upon x1, and then minus minus plus, so it is 2x1. So therefore now I have y1 equal to, this 4 will remain as it is, this 2x1 will come here, so it is minus 2x1 minus 2 upon x1. This is the value of y1. So I will say that this is my first equation. Also x1 comma y1 is a point on the curve. Right now x1 comma y1 is a point on the curve. So therefore I can say that the equation of curve is x square is equals to 4y, x square is equals to, therefore I have x1 square is equals to 4y1. Therefore I will say that this y1 is equals to x1 square upon 4. This is our second equation. Now if you use this equation 1 and 2, in place of y1 you can write 4 minus, so here I have 4 minus 2x1 minus 2 upon x1, this is equals to x1 square divided by 4. Now here I have x1 in the denominator, here I have 4 in the denominator, LCM of this denominator is 4x1, so I multiply each term by 4x1. So therefore I have 4 4s are 16 x1 minus I have 4 2s are 8 x1 square minus 4 2s are 8 is equals to, on this side it is x1 cube, right? So therefore I have x1 cube plus 8x1 square minus 16x1 plus 8 is equals to 0. Now let us see if we have done everything correct or not. Just have a look, check your equation and find if there is any mistake in this particular equation. Okay, if you observe, here we have done a mistake. When we open the bracket, it is 2 upon x1, and then this x1 and x1 will cancel and we have plus 2. So this will be only 2, right? Okay, fine. So this y1 is equals to 4, y1 is equals to 4 minus 2 upon x1, and this should be minus 2. So we remove this x1 and we will say that minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So here when we replace, we should say that 2 minus 2 upon x1. So this whole term will I have to remove, I have to erase. I will say that 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 upon x1. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 upon x1 equal to this, and therefore here the equation will be something different. Okay, let us erase this equation. What we are getting? So we have to be careful about these small mistakes. So I will multiply with 4x1, so it will be 2x1, 4 to the 8, 8x1 8x1 by 4x1 I am multiplying, minus 4 to the 8, here I will get 8 is equals to, here I will get x1 cube. So therefore I have x1 cube minus 8x1 plus 8 is equals to 0. x1 cube minus 8x1 plus 8 equal to 0. Now I have to find the value of x1. So for that, what we will do? We will use synthetic division method. For synthetic division, what we will do? We will write the coefficient of x1 cube, which is 1, the coefficient of x1 square. So here better we mention. So by, I will say that by synthetic division, I will draw x1 cube is 1, x1 square is not there, x1 is minus 8, and here I have plus 8. So the factors of 8 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8. So either 1 or 2 I will get as a solution. So if I check with 1, I will get 1 here, then 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, then 1 into, so 1 minus 8 plus 1 is 7, then I am not getting 0. So with 2 I will check. So if I take 2, so then here I have 1, 2 ones are 2, then here I have 2, 2 2s are 4, here I have 4, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4, and here I have minus 8. So what I am getting? I am getting 0, right? Now I will say that therefore this x1 cube minus 8x1 plus 8 equal to 0. This implies x1 minus 2 into x1 square. Now this equation is x1 square plus 2x1 minus 4 equal to 0. Now if you check, we have to find two factors of minus 4 whose sum is plus 2. So is there any factor? No, there is no such factor. So what we will do? We will find the value of x1 in this factor by using formula method. So I will say that therefore either x1 minus 2 is 0, or I will say that x1 square plus 2x1 minus 4 is 0. So therefore I have x1 equal to 2, or I have x1 equal to minus b, that is minus 2, plus or minus root of b square, that is 2 square b square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 4, divide by whole divide by 2 into a, the value of a is 1. So therefore we have x1 equal to 2, or we have x1 equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of this 2 square is 4 and plus 4 4s are 16 whole divided by 2. So I will say that therefore x1 is 2, or x1 is minus 2 plus minus, here we have 16 for plus 4, 20 whole divided by 2. This gives me minus 2 plus or minus, I can take 4 out, so that is 2 root 5 upon 2. So this is means the value of x1 is 2 or the value of x1 is minus 1 plus or minus root 5. So minus 1 plus or minus root 5 is the value of x1. Now for point we should know y coordinate also. So I will check one by one. So I will say that when x1 is 2, we have equation of curve as this point x1 y1 is a point on the curve, okay, or it is a point on the line. So better I will use this equation of curve. So 4y equal to x square. So 4y when x is equal to this, so I have 4y1 equal to x1 square, that is 2 square. So therefore y1 equal to 4 upon 4 is 1. So therefore one point where normal touch the or cut the curve is 2, 1. Now when x1 is minus 1 plus root 5, then in that case again we have 4y1 equal to x1 square, that is minus 1 plus root 5 the whole square. This gives me minus 1 square is 1 plus 2ab will give me minus 2 root 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 1 6. So this is 6 minus we have 2 root 5. This is the value of 4y1, therefore value of y1 is equals to 6 upon 4. 6 upon 4 is 3 upon 2 minus root 5 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 minus root 5 upon 2, or I will say that 3 minus root 5 whole divided by 2. So therefore one more point we get. Therefore I will say that x1 comma y1, this is your minus 1 plus root 5 comma 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now finally we have one more point. Now when x1 is minus 1 minus root 5, so therefore we have 4y1 is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 the whole square. So I take minus sign out, minus 1 square is plus 1. So I will say that this is 1 plus this is 2 root 5 and this is 5 whole divided by this is the value of 4y1. So value of y1, therefore I will say that therefore y1 is equals to 6 plus 2 root 5 whole divided by 4, that gives us 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. Okay, so again x1 comma y1 is equals to, here I will get minus 1 minus root 5, this is x coordinate, and the y coordinate is 3 plus root 5 whole divided by 2. This is y coordinate. So this is x1 comma y1. So that means there are 3 points where the normal, okay, passing through point minus 1 comma 4, passing through this point minus 1 comma 4 intersect the curve. So maybe that normal will be something like this, or okay, it is going to pass through these 3 points. So our question was to find the equation of normal. The question was find the equation of normal. So therefore now we have, now slope of normal is, Now slope of normal, we said that it is minus 2 upon x1, right? This is the slope of normal, right? Now slope of normal is minus 2 upon x1. See, as the normal passes through this equation of normal, slope of normal is minus 2 upon x1. So minus 2 upon x1 is slope of normal. So we have 3 different points. So at 3 different points, normal will be different. So equation of, I will say that equation of normal passing through the first coordinate which we got is 2, 1, passing through 2, 1. So it will be y minus 1 is equals to minus 2 upon x1 is 2 into x minus x1 is 2. So y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 2, that is y minus 1. This implies that y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 2. So this gives me x plus y, this 2 will come on this side, minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is one equation. Similarly, I will say that equation of normal at point. Now the second point is, we have one more point which is minus 1 comma root 5, minus 1 comma root 5, minus 1 comma no sorry minus 1 plus root 5. This is minus 1 plus root 5 comma the value of y is 3 minus root 5 whole divided by 2. So here the equation will be y minus y1, that is 3 minus root 5 whole divided by 2 is equals to, the value of m is minus 2 upon minus 1 plus root 5 into x minus, here we have to subtract, so it will minus 1 will become plus 1, x plus 1, and this will become minus 5. So y minus 3 minus root 5 upon 2 is equals to m into x minus x1. This is again equation of normal. And finally an equation of normal at the third point is minus 1 minus root 5. What is the third point? Let us see. Minus 1 minus root 5 and 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. So minus 1, I will say that minus 1 minus root 5 comma root 3 plus root 5, 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. So the equation of normal at this point is y minus 3 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 is equals to m, the value of m is minus 2 upon minus 1 minus root 5 into x minus x1. So this will become plus 1 and this will become plus root 5. So y, this implies y minus 3 plus root 5 divided by 2 is equals to, I will cancel minus minus, so it is 2 upon 1 plus root 5 into x plus 1 plus root 5. Okay, so these are the three equations of normal. Okay, or I will say that these are the three required equations of normal. As these normals we have to find out. Now from this question, what you understand, that you need to have lot of practice to solve questions like this, right? So it is recommended that more and more questions you try to solve. Lot of question papers are available on the internet, so from there you can take questions and solve yourself. As I am explaining this problem along with solving, so I am taking time, but when you are solving, okay, you did not have to explain anyone, then you could finish this problem in less time. So maybe in 15 minutes you should be able to solve this problem. Now you say that for 4 mark 15 minutes is too much. Yes, sometimes the problems are quite lengthy, where you take time to solve those problems. So you have to do your problems of 1 mark, 2 mark, those problems you have to do quickly, so that you have enough time to solve problems of 4 marks or 6 marks, right? Yes. So I will stop my lecture here. There are few more problems in this worksheet that we will solve in our next lecture. Yes, thank you.